Hi everyone. Welcome back to Saving Sense. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to start a side hustle to boost your income. 1. Why start a side hustle? Let's face it, who wouldn't want a little extra cash each month? Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or just having more financial freedom, a side hustle can make a big difference. But how do you start one? Let's break it down step by step. 2. Identify your skills and interests. First, identify your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? This could be anything from graphic design and writing to gardening or even dog walking. Make a list of potential side hustles that align with your strengths and passions. 3. Research the market. Next, research the market. Look at what's already out there and see where there might be a gap you can fill. Check out platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Etsy to get a sense of what people are offering and at what price points. This will help you understand the demand and competition for your chosen side hustle. 4. Create a plan. Once you've done your research, it's time to create a plan. Outline your goals, target audience, pricing, and marketing strategy. Set realistic milestones to track your progress. Remember, starting a side hustle takes time and effort, so be patient with yourself. 5. Get the necessary tools and resource. Depending on your side hustle, you may need specific tools or resources. This could be anything from a good quality camera for a photography business, to baking supplies for a home bakery. Make a list of what you'll need and invest wisely. 6. Start small and scale up. Start small and scale up gradually. Don't quit your day job just yet. Test the waters by dedicating a few hours a week to your side hustle. As you start to see success and build confidence, you can increase your commitment and expand your business. 7. Market your side hustle. Marketing is key to any successful side hustle. Use social media, create a website, and don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Network within your community and ask friends and family to help spread the word. 8. Manage your time wisely. Balancing a side hustle with your regular job and personal life can be challenging. Manage your time wisely by setting a schedule and sticking to it. Prioritize your tasks and make sure to set aside time for rest and relaxation. 9. Track your progress and adjust. Finally, track your progress and be willing to adjust your strategy as needed. What works for one person might not work for another, so be flexible and open to change. Celebrate your successes and learn from your setbacks. And that's it. Starting a side hustle can be a rewarding way to boost your income and achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and advice. Share your side hustle ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.